Good morning to all of you. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು because of this coronavirus, so we are teaching through this YouTube because to help you, and I feel all of you are in good condition. Your health is in good condition. That is most important thing you must know. And second thing, you must follow all government's instructions to keep yourself fit. Okay. Now, why this is given, that you must know, because so many days you are wasting actually, and you are losing interest also. So to get back the interest and to do something, to practice well in the house, we are giving this this YouTube tuition. Actually, please make use of this very well, and afterwards we'll also have revision. And what I am going to do today is the revision already what we had done in the class. Before vacation, we started some differentiation, and in the differentiation we did explicit functions. We also did implicit functions and chain rule. Same thing we are going to revise today. We will solve some problems on that, and please make a note of it and practice well. And we are going to revise it, but this one we are not going to revise it. We have already revised it because we have already done it, and that is I am going to revise, because to recollect the things what we have already done. Okay. Now, differentiation of different functions, please refer to my list of differentials what I have given on that day. Please see the list of differentials. I will just go on reading it. D by d, x to the power of n is nx to the power of n minus 1. I am not going to write it because you just take that list of differentials what you have already given, go through that. D by dx of x to the power of n is nx to the power of n minus 1. D by dx of root x is another standard differential, 1 over 2 root x. D by dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. D by dx of log x is 1 by x. D by dx of e to the power of x is e power x. D by dx of a power x is a power x into log a. These are already which I have given. I have revised it. And now d by dx of e to the power of ax. D by dx of e to the power of ax is, a should come by the side of it. You should write a e to the power of ax. D by dx of constant, simply constant is 0, but d by dx of constant into some function of x, d by dx of k into f of x is that constant should be removed outside into d by dx of f of x. K should be removed outside and d by dx of fx. So these are the standard differentials of algebraic functions. Now we will move on to trigonometric function. D by dx of sin x, just refer to my list of differentials. Sin x is cos x. D by dx of cos x is minus sin x. D by dx of tan x secant square x. D by dx of cot x is minus cosecant square x. D by dx of secant x is secant x tan x. D by dx of cosecant x is minus cosecant x cot x. Here you can see one thing, whenever it starts with c, that will be negative. Whenever d by dx of cot x is minus cosecant square x, d by dx of cosecant x is minus cosecant x cot x, and d by dx of cos x is minus sin x. Whenever it starts with c, you must note it is negative sign you should put. Then d by dx of sin ax, a cos ax, that will come by the side of it. D by dx of cos ax is minus a cos ax. D by dx of tan ax is a secant square ax. D by dx of secant ax is a secant ax tan ax. And d by dx of cot ax is minus a cosecant square ax. So these are the list of differentials. Now we shall start to do some problems which we have already done. Again we shall revise it. Chain rule, and chain rule is nothing but function of a function rule. Chain rule is also called function of a function rule, that is differentiation of a composite function. You should know in the chain rule how to do. Two functions are involved and you have to differentiate separately. When two functions are joined, it is called composite function. So differentiation of a composite function is called chain rule. So we shall do some problems on chain rule. First one, you can take differentiate 3x plus 4 whole square. This is a composite function. One function is 3x plus 4 and 2 is another function. Two functions are involved in this. Now we have to differentiate 3x plus 4 whole square. Now y they will not meet. You should take let y is equal to 3x plus 4 whole square. Keep y as 3x plus 4 square. Now differentiate, right? Differentiate with respect to x. Then once you write differentiate with respect to x, left side you should write dy by dx. Once you differentiate y with respect to x, you should write dy by dx. Here it is, see two functions are involved. One is this and another one is this. Now, how to differentiate such functions, you know? This you take it as x, whole thing as x. X square differentiation. X square differentiation, you know, it is 2x. That is 2 into 3x plus 4. First differentiation, first step is differentiate, it is x square. X square differentiation is 2 into x to the power of 2 minus 1 or 2x. 2 into instead of x, 3x plus 4 into, this is very important, you should not forget, into d by dx of 3x plus 4. Two functions, understood? First function, 2 into differentiation of this one, 2x, x square 2x, into d by dx of this particular function, x. This is the differentiation. 2 into 3x plus 4 into d by dx of 3x plus 4. You know k into x, 3 constant should be kept as it is, into differential coefficient of x is 1. You should know d by dx of x is 1 and constant is 0. This is 0. 3 into 1 plus 0, it is 3, or 3 into 2, 6. Answer is 6 into 3x plus 4. This is the answer. dy by dx is equal to 6 into 3x plus 4 is the final answer. We will take one more problem. 4x square minus 3 to the power of 5. Differentiate 4x square minus 3 to the power of 5. Take it as y. Y is equal to 4x square minus 3 to the power of 5. Now you start differentiating. Y will not be given, you have to take it as y. See, the whole thing is x. X to the power of 5. Actually it is x to the power of 5. What is x to the power of 5 differentiation? dy by dx is equal to 5x to the power of 4. Instead of x, you should put this 5 into 4x square minus 3 to the 5 minus 1, or it is 4. You know x to the power of n is nx to the power of n minus 1 is the differentiation. So 5x to the power of 4. 5x is this 4, but you should not leave it at that stage. One more step you should see, into d by dx of 4x square minus 3. Into d by dx of 4x square minus 3, or it is 5 into 4x square. All of you understood why we are writing, because two functions are there, this one and this one. First is 5x to the power of 4 into d by dx of this particular function minus 3 to the power of 4 into here. 4 is a constant, keep it as it is. X square differentiation is 2x minus 0. Differentiation of 3, simply constant, is 0. Now it is 5 into 4x square minus 3 to the power of 4 into 8x. 4 into 2, 8x. Or answer is 40x into 4x square minus 3 to the power of 4. This is the final answer. And left side you should say dy by dx. You will get 2 marks for this. These are the problems carrying 2 to 3 marks, sometimes 2 marks, sometimes for 1 mark also they will ask such questions. So to can this is 1 minus 5x to the power of 8. 1 minus 5x to the power of 8. Keep it as y. Y. Differentiate with respect to x. Two functions are there, this one and this one. Two functions are there. First you take it as x. X to the power of 8. 8x to the power of 7 into d by dx of this particular function we should write. So when you differentiate, dy by dx is equal to 8 into 1 minus 5x to the power of 8 minus 1, 7 into d by dx of, very important, x to the power of 8, 8x to the power of 7 into, you should not forget whatever is there in the bracket, d by dx of 1 minus 5x. Or it is 8 into 1 minus 5x to the power of 7 into, this is 0, minus 5 into 1, minus 5. This is minus 5, d by dx of x is 1. So answer is minus 40, minus 5 into 8, minus 40 into 1 minus 5x to the power of 7. That is the answer. I hope all of you have understood. We will do some more problems. Power of q. Take it as y. Again, same differentiation. This is your x, x cube, 3x square. This you take it as x, x cube, 3x square into d by dx of this function. Similar to the previous problem what we did. So dy by dx is equal to 3 into 3x cube, 3x square, 3 into 3 minus 5x cube whole square into d by dx of 3 minus 5x cube, or it is 3 into 3 minus 5x cube whole square, 3 into 3 minus 5x cube whole square into, you need not expand, just keep answer like that, into, when you differentiate, constant is 0, minus 5 into x cube, differentiation is 3x square. Now it is, answer is minus 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 5, 45x square, 3 into 5, 15, 15 into 3, 45, or 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 5, 45, minus should be there, x square into 3 minus 5x cube, that is the answer. Hope you have understood how to get the answer. One more we will do, and then we will go to different type. Take the power of 4. Ax square plus bx plus c to the power of 4. This you take it as x. X to the power of 4. X to the power of 4 differentiation is 4x cube into d by dx of this particular factor. Now, when you differentiate immediately left side you should put dy by dx is equal to 4 into ax square plus bx plus c whole cube into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c into this one. This is you should write d by dx of x. Now it is 4 into ax square plus bx plus c whole cube into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c. You can write 2ax, differentiation you can write 2ax plus, see here, a into 2x plus b into 1, differentiation of x is 1 and this is 0, simply constant, so b. Answer is, you can write if you want, 4 into 2ax plus b into ax square plus bx plus c whole cube. This is your answer. So all of you are following, there is no problem. we shall go to this type. 1 over, say suppose it is given problem 1 over say 5 minus 8x to the power of 2. Yes. 5 minus 8x to the power of 3. Or it as 5. Here you cannot differentiate directly. You should lift it up. This factor should be lifted up like that, and then you should differentiate. So don't put dy by dx directly. Y is equal to, when you shift this one this side, upper side, 5 minus 8x to the power of what it becomes, this plus 3 will become minus 3. You should note, when you lift it up, when you take it up, you should change the sign of this minus. Now it is like that. This is x to the power of minus 3. Now you start differentiating. Dy by dx is equal to, yes, minus 3 into n into x to the power of n minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 into d by dx of this much, into d by dx of 5 minus 8x, or it is minus 3 into 5 minus 8x to the power of minus 4 into d by dx of 5 minus 8x. 5 is 0, constant is 0, minus 8 into 1 minus 8, multiply minus into minus plus 24. Here you should be very careful. Minus into minus plus 8 into 3, 24, and this you can bring it down. Minus 4 is there, you can bring it down. Keep the answer like this. This is the answer. Understood why we have brought it down? You should not keep it in negative index. Put it in the positive index. We should bring it down and keep the answer. Yes, we shall take one more problem of that type. 1 over 4x square minus 1 whole to the power of 4. This is, you take it as y. Y, shift it up, 4x square minus 1 to the power of minus 4. Bring it up, 4x square minus 1 whole to the power of minus 4. Shift it up. Now it is dy by dx. When you differentiate, dy by dx equal to minus 4 into 4x square minus 1 to the power of minus 4 minus 1 nx to the power of n minus 1 into what? D by dx of this particular function, into d by dx of 4x square minus 1, or it is minus 4 into 4x square minus 1 to the power of minus 5 into d by dx of 4x square. It is 4 into 2x actually, and this is 0, 8x. Answer is minus 4 into 8 minus 32x into 4x square minus 1 to the power of minus 5. But don't keep like minus 5 like this. Bring it down. Minus 32x by 4x square minus 1 to the power of 5. You can keep it, bring it down, and keep the answer. Suppose if it is like this, differentiate 1 over root of 4 minus 8x. What you should do? Y, root means you know y is equal to 1 over 4 minus 8x to the power of half. Root means half. Now bring it up. Y is equal to 4 minus 8x to the power of minus half. Bring it up. Now two functions are there. One function is this and another function is this. Now we have to differentiate. Dy by dx is equal to 4 minus half into n into minus half into 4 minus 8x to the power of minus half minus 1 into d by dx of 4 minus 8x. into d by dx of this function. Now it is minus half into 4 minus 8x into to the power of minus half minus 1. Half minus 1 is minus 3 by 2. Half 1 add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it is 3 by 2, but with the minus sign, or take LCM to minus 3 by 2 into d by dx of this. First one is 0, minus 8 into 1, or your answer is minus into minus plus, half into 8, 4 times it goes, 4 into to the power of minus 3 by 2, or bring it down, 3 by 2 is the answer. I hope all of you have understood, and try some problems and give here. You can copy yourself in the house. First one, 3x square minus 2 to the power of 5 differentiate. Second one, 1 minus 8x cube to the power of 3. Third one, 1 over 4x square minus 1 to the power of 5. Then fourth one, 1 over square root of 4 minus 7x. So do these problems in your home, practice well. We shall go to the different type. Now we shall come to the e to the power of functions, and then we'll do. Now differentiate e to the power of root x. Differentiate e to the all exponential functions we shall take e to the power of root x. Take it as y. Now here this you take it as x. Root x as x. E to the power of x. What is the differentiation of e power x? You know very well. When you differentiate dy by dx, e power x, d by dx of e power x is e power x only. You should note this. E power x is e power x. Here it is e power root x is e power root x only. But into, this is very important, two functions are involved, into d by dx of root x. This is very important. E to the power of root x into d by, because many students forget this, d by dx of this root x. Now it is e power root x into root x differentiation, standard differential 1 by root x. Answer is e power root x by 2. Don't cancel for heaven's sake this one and this one. This is exponential function, this is algebraic function. You are not supposed to cancel this and this. Keep the answer as it is. Next you take e to the power of 1 minus 8x. Differentiate e to the power of 1 minus 8x. Take it as y. So this whole thing as x. Whole thing you should take it as x. So when you differentiate e power x, e to the power of 1 minus 8x as it is, you should repeat into d by dx of this function. So when you differentiate dy by dx is equal to e power 1 minus 8x as it is e power x into d by dx of 1 minus 8x, or it is e to the power of 1 minus 8x into d by dx of 1 minus 8x is, this is 0, minus 8 into 1 as it is. Our answer is and you all know me, and I am M.G. Prasad. You know, I have got 40 years of experience, and you have seen me already in the first year also, and in second year also I have taken few classes. So there is no need for my introduction again. I have worked in different colleges in Bangalore and different colleges in Mysore also. So you are all lucky to have a teacher like me who is having 40 years of experience, and you should take the benefit of the teacher and do well. Take the next problem. Differentiate e to the power of 5x square minus 1. E to the power of 5x square minus 1. So now when you differentiate, dy by dx is equal to, same thing, this is x, e power x as it is, e to the power of 5x square minus 1 into d by dx of 5x square minus 1, or it is e power 5x square minus 1 into d by dx of 5x square minus 1, 5 into 2x, x square 2x, and this is 0 because constant, simply constant 0. Answer is 10 e to the power of, 10x, 5 into 2, 10x e to the power of 5x square minus 1. Next one, e to the power of ax square plus bx plus c. E to the power of ax square plus bx plus c, take it as y, whole thing as x, e power x as it is, when you differentiate e to the power of ax square plus bx plus c as it is into d by dx of this. So now when you differentiate, dy by dx is equal to e to the power of ax square plus bx plus c into d by dx of this one, ax square plus bx plus c. That is e to the power of ax square plus bx plus c into differentiation of ax square plus bx plus c, a into 2x plus b into 1. Differentiation of x is 1 and this is 0. So it is a into 2x actually, when you differentiate, plus b into 1, don't write here, but you write here, 2ax plus b. This is all the answer. If you want, you can write first term this one and then e to the power of ax square plus b, otherwise leave the answer as it is. Now you take sin x. So when you differentiate, this is x. So when you differentiate dy by dx, same thing, e power sin x into d by dx of sin x. That's all. Now you take, when you differentiate, you will differentiate with respect to x, and otherwise if you write dy by dx, it is understood you are differentiating y with respect to x. E power sin x as it is into d by dx of sin x, or it is e power sin x into differential coefficient of sin x is cos x. Keep answer as it is, that's all. E power sin x into cos x, or you can also keep answer like this. First cos x ಬರ್ದು e to the power of sin x ಅಂತಾನು ಇಡಬಹುದು. Okay, now we will go to the next one. E power secant x. E power secant x, y ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, you must take it as y. They will ask you only differentiate e to the power of secant x ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, you should write it y ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. E to the power of secant x. So when you differentiate dy by dx, it is e to the power of secant x into d by dx of secant x. E power secant x into d by dx of secant x, or it is e power secant x into d by dx of secant x is, you know what is a d by dx of secant x? Standard differential I have given, secant x. You don't multiply this with this and write secant square x, all nonsense, don't put it. Keep the answer as it is, e to the power of secant x into secant x tan x. E to the power of cot x, e to the power of cot 3x. Okay, you can take e to the power of cot 3x. When you differentiate, this is x, differentiate dy by dx is equal to e to the power of cot 3x as it is, e power x into d by dx of cot 3x. So when you differentiate this, e power cot 3x into, you know, differentiation of cot 3x, 3 should come first. 3 into, whenever it starts with 3, see, it is always minus cosecant square 3x. Answer is minus 3 cosecant square 3x into e to the power of cot 3x. Yes. Now I will give you some problems on this. Practice well in the house. Don't waste time. Time is very precious. You should not waste the time. You should practice well mathematics. Mathematics will be easy only when you practice. Practice makes man perfect. So it is the only solution in mathematics to get 100 out of 100. You should practice. Okay. Do these problems. One is e to the power of 4x minus 3. Second one, e to the power of x by 3 plus 4. Third one, e to the power of cosecant x, cosecant 2x you take, and e to the power of sin 2x. So these 4 problems, practice well, try to do it. Afterwards, once you come back to the class, you will see how you have done. But practice well. Now we will go to the different type of, you know, the same thing, explicit function. We will go to chain rule itself in the different type of function. Now differentiate sine of 4x minus 3. Very important for examination, and last year also they have given this problem. Sine of 4x minus 3, you take it as y. Y is equal to sine of 4x minus 3. So when you differentiate, see this is x, it is sine x. Sine x differentiation is whole thing as x, sine x differentiation is cos x. So first thing you should write that function into d by dx of whatever is there in the bracket. So that is called function of a function rule. Now when you differentiate, dy by dx is equal to sine differentiation of this, it is cos of 4x minus 3. When you differentiate, sine x is cos of 4x minus 3 into what you should write? Into d by dx of 4x minus 3. Very important thing. Cos of 4x minus 3 into d by dx of 4x minus 3, or it is cos of 4x minus 3 into d by dx of 4x minus 3 differentiation is here 4 into x, x is 1, 4 and that is 0. Or answer is right 4 into cos, very important, last year also they gave this problem. Important for exam. Answer is 4 cos 4x. You can also write directly, after this step directly you can write 4 into cos 4x minus 3. We will go to the next problem. Tan of 1 minus 2x squared. Tan of 1 minus 2x squared. Now when you differentiate, this is x. So when you differentiate dy by dx, what is the differentiation of tan x? It is nothing but secant square x equal to 1 minus 2x square into, you should not forget, d by dx of 1 minus 2x square. Very important thing, many students, they write this step, they forget this, into d by dx of whatever is there in the bracket, they forget, you will lose marks for that. So very important thing, you should differentiate this and then into d by dx of this, or it is secant square 1 minus 2x square into d by dx of 1 minus 2x, so this is constant, minus 2 into 2x. X square is 2x. Answer is minus 4x into secant square 1 minus 2x square. This is the answer. This is your dy by dx. secant square minus 4x secant square 1 minus 2x square. Next one you can take secant 1 minus 8x. Y is equal to secant 1 minus 8x. So now you take it as x, secant x, differentiation of, when you differentiate secant x tan x it is. So the whole thing as x, when you differentiate dy by dx is equal to secant x into tan x into d by dx of this, you should not forget, into d by dx of 1 minus 8x, or it is secant 1 minus 8x tan 1 minus 8x into d by dx of 1 minus 8x, 1 is 0, minus 8 into 1, x is 1, and answer you can bring this minus 8 dividing minus 8 secant 1 minus 8x tan 1 minus 8x is the answer. Minus 8 secant 1 minus 8x tan 1 minus 8x is the answer. Minus secant x tan x. 8 should be there. We will take one more. Cos 4x square minus 1. Differentiate cos of 4x square minus 1. So when you differentiate cos of 4x square minus 1, when you differentiate dy by, this is x, whole thing is x, dy by dx is equal to, yes, cos x differentiation is minus sin x, the whole thing is x, cos x differentiation is minus sin x minus sin 4x square minus 1 into what you should write? Into d by dx of 4x square minus 1. This should not be forgotten. Many students forget this step. Into 4x square minus 1, or it is minus sin 4x square minus 1 into 4 into 2x 8x. X square is 4 into 2x 8x. Our answer is minus 8x sin 4x square minus 1. That is the answer. Cosecant 1 minus 3x square. Cosecant 1 minus 3x square, take it as y, and this is x. Cosecant x. So when you differentiate cosecant x, so write dy by dx is equal to cosecant x differentiation minus cosecant x cot x. So now minus cosecant, I told you whenever it starts with c, minus cosecant 1 minus 3x square into cot 1 minus 3x square into d by dx of 1 minus 3x square. This is very important. This step you should not forget. Or it is minus cosecant a 1 minus 3x square cot 1 minus 3x square into, this is 0, minus 6x. 3x square is minus 6x, or minus into minus plus 6x cosecant 1 minus 3x square cot 1 minus 3x square is your answer. 6x minus into minus plus 6x cot so much into cosecant 1 minus 3x square cot 1 minus 3x square. Now it is sin log x. How to differentiate sin log x? Important one. Now it is y, take it as y, dy by dx is equal to, when you differentiate, dy by dx is equal to sin log x is the differentiation. So put log x as x, sin x. So sin x, when you differentiate, it becomes cos log x into d by dx of log x. Very importantly, sin differentiation is cos log x into d by dx of log x, or it is cos log x into d by dx of log x is 1 by x. Answer is cos log x by x. This is the answer. Now you take cot log x. Cot log x, same thing. When you differentiate dy by dx, cot log x is cot x, differentiation of cot x is minus cosecant square log x into d by dx of log x, or it is minus cosecant square log x into d by dx of log x is 1 by x. Answer is minus cosecant square log x by x. What is the answer? You take this problem. Sin root x. So whole thing as x, y. When you differentiate dy by dx, it is cos root x. First thing is sin root x, cos root x into d by dx of root x, or it is cos root x into differential coefficient of root x is, you know very well, 1 by 2 root x. It's a standard differential 1 by 2 root x, and don't cancel this and this, that is different. Cos root x by 2 root x. Next one you can take, differentiate tan of 1 by x. Tan of 1 by x, y is equal to anta takolli. Then when you differentiate, dy by dx is equal to tan differentiation, this is x, tan differentiation is secant square 1 by x into d by dx of 1 by x. Secant square 1 by x takolli, d by dx of 1 by x, or it is secant square 1 by x into d by dx of 1 by x is a standard one, which is minus 1 by x square. Our answer is secant square 1 by x by minus you can shift it here, 1 by x square. This x square can be shifted here, don't cancel this and this, minus x square secant square 1 by x. I hope all of you have understood. You take this, secant e to the power of 3x, secant e to the power of 3x, differentiate. Now secant x differentiation is secant x tan x. So dy by dx is equal to secant e to the power of 3x into tan e to the power of 3x into d by dx of e to the power of 3x, or it is secant e to the power of 3x tan e to the power of 3x into differential coefficient of e to the power of 3x is 3 e to the power of 3x. Differential coefficient of e to the power of 3x is 3 e to the power of 3x. Final answer you can give 3 e to the power of 3x secant e to the power of 3x tan e to the power of 3x. This is the answer. A very important problem. 3 e to the power of 3x secant e to the power of 3x and tan e to the power of 3x. Now if it is log sin x, very important one, log sin x. Suppose if it is log sin x, the whole sin x can be kept as x. So when you differentiate dy by dx, what is the differentiation of log x? It is 1 by x or 1 by sin x into d by dx of sin x. Or it is 1 by sin x into the differential coefficient of sin x is cos x, or it is cot x. Cos x by sin x, answer is cot x. Last problem I will do it, and I will give you some problems you practice well. Log tan x. Log tan x, when you differentiate dy by dx is equal to log of x, log x, 1 by x, 1 by tan x into d by dx of tan x, that is 1 by tan x into differential coefficient of tan x secant square x, or it is secant square x by tan x. This is the answer. Now we give some more problems. You try it in the house, practice well, and ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಚಾಕ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಇದೇ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಚಾಕ್ ಪೀಸ್ಗಿಂತ 1 minus 4x square. Second one, sin of 7 minus 3x. Third one, cos of e to the power of 3x. Fourth one, secant 4x cube minus 3. Fifth one, cos of root x. These problems you do it, practice well. Let us continue tomorrow.